For things rich kids know not to waste money on. Growing up in a wealthy household, I learned early on that financial success isn't just about making money, it's also about managing it wisely. Here are 4 things you should never waste money on, regardless of your income level. Trendy fashion, high-end designer clothes may look great, but trends fade quickly. Instead of chasing every new style, invest in timeless pieces that last. Quality over quantity keeps your wardrobe fresh without draining your bank account. Impulse buys, wealthy people often avoid spur-of-the-moment purchases. Whether it's tech gadgets, home decor, or small luxuries, it's best to pause and think before buying. This avoids clutter and unnecessary expenses. Luxury cars, while a flashy car may seem appealing, its value drops significantly as soon as you drive it off the lot. The wealthy often opt for reliable vehicles instead of constantly upgrading to the latest model. Excessive dining out, even with plenty of disposable income, eating out for every meal can quickly add up. Learning to cook and savoring meals at home not only saves money but also creates healthier habits. The secret isn't cutting out pleasures but making smart decisions. You can still enjoy a rich life without wasting money on fleeting indulgences. Focus on long-term value, and you'll find financial stability, no matter your background.